નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9, subject social science, chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Movement Towards a New World. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? Movement Towards a New World. That means नूतन विश्व तरफ प्रयाण. It is known as a movement towards a new world. First of all, dear children, we have to learn about the global trade between the two worlds war. What we have to learn? We have to learn about the global trade between the two world war. After the first world war, people become economically poor. Dear children, you know very well that after the first world war, what happened? That people become the very poor economically. The immediate government in power were unsuccessful in improving this condition. Now what happened then? Whatever the immediate government is there, they have a power, but they were unsuccessful for improving this condition. People lost trust in the democracy. Now what happened then? After the first world war, the people lost their trust in democracy. Now dictatorship begins in some country, which become a driving force for the second world war. Now what happened there? Some kind of the dictatorship, it means Rajashahi. What happened there? Here they are believing the military force, and they are the driving force for the second world war. Let's study the following series of the events in this respect. Now following are the regions we have to study in the detail. First, they have to given about the fascism in the Italy. What they have to given that fascism in Italy? It means Italy ma fascivada. Now according to in this fascism in Italy, in the first world war, Italy was on the side of the winning nation. We know very well that, dear children, in the first world war, the Italy in the side of the winning nations and fought for those nations. It incurred a massive expenditure of $12 million. How much? Near about they have done the expenditure of the $12 million. How much? $12 million. This was the expenses done by the Italy. Lost the lives of the 6 lakh soldiers. Near about 6 lakh soldiers lost their life. Yet the other winning nation took over the choice territory. Now what happened there? Other winning nation, what they have to do? They have to take the choice territory from the lost nations. And now winning nation ignored the Italy. Italy was angry and frustrated. Why? Winning nation ignored the Italy, and that's why Italy was angry as well as the frustrated. Its nationalist feeling was hurt, for which the Italy considered its government is responsible. Now what happened? That Italy was believed that, considered that government was responsible for that. More than eager to avenge this national humiliation as soon as possible, and that's why they know that as far as possible the national humanization was started in order to save the Italy from such direct situation. Benito Mussolini launched the fascist party, and that's why what happened then? Benito Mussolini launched the fascist party, and that's why he adopted a bundle of stick and axe. That's why he adopted the bundle of stick and the axe. It is the one kind of the supremacy of the Roman Empire. This is the one kind of the supremacy of the Roman Empire as the symbol of his party. What is the symbol of his party? A bundle of stick and the axism. Fascism has evolved from the Italy from the fascismo or fascism, which means the absolute control of the state of all things. Now what is the meaning of fascism? According to them, the fascism meaning that it means you have to absolutely control over all the states. Mussolini maximum was one party, one leader, and that's why what he believed that one nation, only one party was there, and that's why he gave the military training to his party's volunteer, and that's why what happened that he was started in the Italy to give the military training to their volunteers who wear the black uniform.
and these people wear the black uniform. After coming to the power, Mussolini captured the Rhodes and Dawkins island of the Turkey. Now what happened then? After the coming in the power, Mussolini captured the Rhodes and Dawkins island from the Turkey. He also won the Albania, Abyssinia, Fuenport in 1924. And after this victory, Mussolini snapped all the ties with the League of Nations and joined Rome, Berlin, Tokyo accession. And after what happened there? Now Mussolini snaps and he will start to joining in the League of Nations in Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Thus, Italy become responsible for the Second World War, and that's why we can say that Italy become the responsible for the Second World War. Second one they were given about the Nazism in Germany. It means Germany ma Nazivad. Germany had lost the First World War. Dear children, you know very well that year the Germany lost the First World War. It was economically ruined and totally the Germany was economically destroyed. Paris peace process has complete Germany to sign the Treaty of Versailles. And what happened that in the Paris peace process, Germany has to sign the Treaty of the Versailles. Germans were extremely angry with unjust treaty. And that's why what happened that Germany's people were angry because of the treaty where the Germany was signed. Which treaty is the Treaty of Versailles? Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Worker Party in 1990. Now what happened that year in 1990, Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Worker Party. This party came to be known as the Nazi Party, and that's why Hitler Party, it is also, we can say that it is the name is a Nazi Party that the Hitler was joined. The Nazi philosophy include the nationalism and the socialism. Now what happened there? The Nazi's philosophy was included nationalism as well as the socialism. After the death of the German president, what happened that dear children? After the death of the German president, Hindenburg, the Hitler assumed the post and now the president was taken by the Hitler and established this dictatorial rule and he established the dictatorial rule. He adopted the stern and aggressive policy and lead the German towards the narrow nationalism, and that's why what happened there. Now whatever the German policy is there, their policy was aggressive and towards the narrow nationalism, and German considered Hitler as their savior. And what the German people believe that Hitler was our savior. Few were Nazi soldier wear the blue military uniform. Which kind of the uniform was wear by the Nazi people? Nazi people wear the blue military uniform and stuck a red streak on their shoulder and wear a symbol of swastika. Which symbol they have to wear? They have to wear the symbol of swastika as a Hitler's authoritarian and military nature become the obvious. And that's why we can see that in Hitler we see the militarism nature become the obvious after coming into the power. His main aim was the emerging of the Germany as a major power. What was the main aim of the Hitler, dear children? The main aim of the Hitler that now Germany become the emerging power. In the name of the purification of the German race, his policy were targeted extremely Jews, Gypsies, mentally challenged the people, and that's why by the end of the Second World War, innumerable European Jews lost their lives, which is known as a Holocaust, and that's why we can say that it is known as a Holocaust. Hitler expansion, military action against the neighboring country, and the policy of extreming certain group lead the Second World War and become the important region for the same. Third, we have to given about the military region in Japan. It means Japan ma Lashkar Vada. According to the Treaty of Versailles in 1990, now Japan got the benefit of the provisions of the China. And that's why what happened that after the Treaty of Versailles, now Japan get the benefit of the provisions of the China. England and France distributed the many regions of the Germany. What happened that in the First World War, winning of the Germany and France, what happened that they distributed the Germany's region between them. Japan was quite displeased with this. And Now what happened that after the First World War, Japan think that he was quite displaced in this. In 1921-22, in Washington meet, Japan had agreed to have only 35% of English and American naval force. And what happened that Japan had agreed that only they were 35% of English and American naval force. Japan also had vacated the island of Sakhalin and Siberia, and that's why the Japanese youth was angry for this. And during this time, there were the election in Japan, and during that time, what happened there was an election in the Japan, and parties support the militarism. And now the Japanese people support the militarism and got their majority. The military nationalism of Japan adopt the policy of the expansion, and that's why what happened the military nationalism of Japan adopt the policy of the expansion. Japan did not get a permanent place in the League of the Nations, and that's why what happened that in that time the Japan was not getting the permanent place in the League of the Nations. The Western country could not stop the imperialistic activity of the Japan. Japan captured the Manchuria and established the Manchukuo government in 1932. Also, it captured the Korea, Mongolia, Center, and some provinces of the China. It means Japan captured the some provinces of the China. It improved the relationship with Germany and Italy. Now, what happened that now Japan has improving the relationship with Germany as well as the Italy, and lose his string of the imperialism. After the Emperor of Meiji, the Emperor of Hirohito in 1936 also encouraged these activities of the Japan, and that's why the Japan's name all it started with the League of Nations in 1933. And last one and fourth one, they have given the global depression in 1929 to 30 to its Vaishvik Mahamandi. According to the global depression in 1929-32, the head of the most of the European nations had believed that with the end of the First World War, a large number of shares began to be sold in the whole system. And due to what happened that after the First World, the large number of shares was sold in the Wall Street stock market, cause proved the wrong, and that proved the wrong sum. And that's why the stock market to be the crumble, and that's why whole stock market should be the destroyed. Crumble, and this was called as a Wall Street crisis, and that's why we can say that it is known as a Wall Street crisis in the critics of 24th October 1929. In the critics of 24 October 1929, this crisis shook the whole world and shattered the economic condition of that nation, and due to this shock taken into the world level due to the economic conditions of the nation, giving the birth of the Great Global Depression. Most of the nations of the world were affected by this. What happened? The maximum nation was affected due to this global depression. Even a superpower in this global depression, the superpower like Great Britain had to sacrifice its policy for the gold reserve against the currency pound. And what happened that here superpower Britain and sacrificed their policy for the gold reserve against the currency pound, and this affect the other nation of the world level and the international trade and the industry, and that's why the global depression affect the international level trade and industry. And prosperous nation like America also had to impose the strict measure. Here what happened that prosperous nation like America has also taken the sixth measure. Global trade was reduced a half, and due to in 1929-32 what happened that the global trade reduced its half, and thus the World War II started getting in outline now. And that's why we can say that after the global depression 1929-32, after few years, what happened that the World War II started beginning in outline in 1939. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us